how to check in at Kuala Lumpur Airport Terminal 2. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dunn. So in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to check in at Terminal 2 in Kuala Lumpur. So you're going to come from that side. So this is the main entrance. Then once you come, you're going to see different rows. For example, W, Y, and you have to find your flight row, which is going to be one of the display board. So you have to just go to any display and wait for your flight. And you can see that the display boards are all over. So for example, if you see right there or another there and there, all over, so you have to find your flight row, and then you go to your row and you look for a machine to print your boarding pass. Now if you just take a look right there, you're going to see that lots of people are printing boarding pass, which we just did as well. And then you're going to print your boarding pass. Then you're going to print your luggage tag if you have a checked-in luggage. So you have to put in the tag, and then you're going to go to your assigned counter. So for example, let's say if you are U, then there's going to be a place in U counter to check in, and there always someone there to help. So if you are confused or if you are not sure about anything, you can ask. And then once you put the luggage on the belt, you have to scan your boarding pass in the machine, and then you can go through the security, which is somewhere right there. So this is Terminal 2. This is mainly used for AirAsia and other budget carriers, and this is the basic steps of how to check in at Kuala Lumpur Airport Terminal 2. Thank you for watching. Also, when you enter, you're going to see this huge display board, so you can check your flight here as well, or you can go to one of those small ones. They're the same thing.